Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today we want to go over our latest feature, which we call Nexus Search. This feature was released last week as part of our third version, and it's the most significant update to our system. Previously we had three separate search engines: Basic, Application, and Technical. But now with version 3, we've combined them all into one unified engine called Nexus. From now on, you only need Nexus to search across different industries and parts. Whether you're searching by part number, AM or OE codes, tags, or other specifications. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate the Nexus search feature and show you how to utilize its capabilities. Once you're logged into the client website at chtp.com, you have two ways to use the Nexus search. You can either type directly into the text box at the top or click on the application search option to access the search tool itself. When you open the page, you'll notice that there are already some default parts loaded, and on the left side, there are various filter options, which you can collapse to see more. These filters help narrow down your search. For instance, if you're looking for a specific make, you can select Freightliner. You can either apply the filter immediately, and the results will reload to reflect parts related to Freightliner, or you can select multiple options before applying them. Once you apply a filter, the system updates not only the parts but also the available filters on the left-hand side. This ensures that the models and specifications you see are specific to the filters you've applied. Instead of applying filters one by one, you can select multiple filters like make, model, and category and apply them all at once. For example, if I choose Freightliner as the make and then a specific model and category, the system will display only the parts that match all three criteria. This allows you to combine filters and refine your search results. Another important feature is the ability to manage your filters easily. At the top of the page, you'll see all the filters that have been applied. You can remove any individual filter by clicking on it, or you can clear all the filters at once to reset your search and start fresh. Now let's move on to the text-based search. You can search for a part number, AM or OE code, category, make, or model using the text box at the top. For example, if I want to search by part number, I just type it in. The system will suggest parts based on what I've typed. If the system finds an exact match for the part number, it will highlight it in green. If the part number doesn't match exactly, it will highlight the unmatched portion in red, helping you quickly identify whether the part is available. You have two main options when using the text-based search. You can either click on the suggested part number to apply a filter based on that part, or you can press Enter to perform a keyword search. If you choose the keyword search, it works similarly to Google. Even if there isn't an exact match, Nexus will try to find the closest matching items based on your keyword. For example, if I search for a Freightliner part, I can combine it with specific models and other filters to narrow down the results. The system will display primary results that closely match what you're looking for, as well as other relevant options. Next, let's try searching by code. If you search for a specific code, whether it's AM or OE, and the system finds an exact match, it will display the part alongside the matching code. However, if the code isn't available, the system will still try to return relevant results, but without an exact match for the code itself. This way, the system offers alternatives if the exact item isn't found. For example, if I search for a known code and select it, the system finds the relevant part and displays the corresponding code. But if I search for a code that isn't in the system, Nexus will still try to provide similar parts based on other criteria, but it won't display a matching code. This ensures that you still get useful results even when searching by code. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to contact us at support@bizkeytech.com. We're here to help.